Welcome back guys to another one, and thank you so much for the support so far and interest in my videos. So without any further ado, let's continue our quest for the most interesting and epic gear out there. Next on my must-have list was a highly capable multi-tool. After some research, I came to the conclusion that the Leatherman Surge is a clear choice for me. It's a heavy-duty tool and the famous 25 years warranty doesn't require any further explanations. It comes with its nylon sheath and you get a separate packaging that contains the modular file. Oh yes, this multi-tool lets you attach standard consumables like the saw and file. But let's start slowly with the main philosophy behind this Leatherman Surge. Right off the bat, the main tools can be accessed by one hand without opening the plier side, plus they are all lockable. I mean, just listen to that healthy click. As you hold it, the first feeling that comes to you revolves around the idea of beyond overbuilt mentality, and I just love that raw, unfinished look of pure metal, in a way exactly like a Sebenza folding knife. To give you an idea how big this thing is when compared, let's say, a Leatherman Wave Plus, here are some pictures, all credits go to this website, and as you can see the difference is quite substantial, and from my understanding this is one of the biggest multi-tool Leatherman has in their current offering. Of course, all of this raw metal muscle comes with some extra weight penalty, but I think it's understandable. I mean, my Spyderco Para 2 weighs 110 grams, which is almost 3 times less than the 335 grams of the Surge. To complete the picture, the Wave Plus is at 241 grams. Now let's explore each available tool one by one. We already saw one of the two main blades, which is the Wave serrated pattern one. It's excellent for cutting paracord and fabrics, for example. This and the regular blade are crafted from 420HC, which is a high carbon stainless steel that is corrosion resistant and easy to maintain and sharpen. Next here is the modular saw that can be removed, and don't forget you have the file as well to change it with. Shout out to DSL57 for this frame that gives you an idea what aftermarket stuff you can use. I will also test the stock saw later in the video. Here is the main blade, which is really sharp out of the box. Now one of my favorite tools available, and the last one on the main side that can be accessed with one hand, which are the scissors. I mean, just look at the size of those, which are spring activated, making it really easy to be used with one hand. The feedback is excellent and they cut like a demon. They are the best I have seen so far on any multi-tool. Now for the excellent pliers, which are a joy to operate. They have the needle nose profile, perfect for precision tasks. Then we even have removable hard wire cutters. I just love this kind of modularity regarding consumables, especially on a multi-tool of this caliber. Then there is even a wire crimper located at the jaw of the tool per se. And if I'm not mistaken, I think you can even use this to strip wires. Next up we have a ruler on each side, which can be combined to measure up to 8 inches or 19 centimeters if you put the sides of the pliers in a 180-degree angle. Now let's go through the secondary tools per se. In no particular order, we have a flathead screwdriver, then a big heavy-duty one, all lockable of course. Now this is an owl puncture tool that also has a threaded loop. On the other side we have a can and a bottle cap opener all in one, and another modular tool, the large bit holder that already comes with a Phillips and a flathead combo bit. This one uses the Leatherman proprietary bit drives, which I plan to buy the full kit at some point. I will link everything for you guys in the description below, of course. And wow, yeah, that's it. These are the 21 tools that make this excellent Leatherman Surge. To wrap things up, this is how it looks in the nylon sheath, which also has a mole attachment, so you can easily attach it and safely to any compatible gear. Now for some cutting action. Like I mentioned, the regular blade is extremely sharp, and since it's lockable, it gives you this confidence to use it even with some brute force. The saw is next, and as you can see it cuts without any effort whatsoever. It truly is a heavy duty item and it shows. Conclusion time. You can have one for around $130, which I think it's a fair price considering the Wave Plus is around $100. It's also cheaper than the top of the line Charge series at $180. Of course, all of these have their different main purposes, but from a value point of view, I think this is a steal, because it gives you exactly what it promises, a heavy-duty, overbuilt quality multi-tool. Hence why I decided to integrate this in my survival pouch. I will link that video as well if you're interested. Because for me, I see the Surge as a better life-depending tool because of its overbuilt nature. The only drawback of this is of course portability, since it's such a big and heavy item. I think it's the biggest and heaviest one Leatherman sells currently. So if you manage to overcome its portability issue, then the Surge is really hard to beat. Thank you for watching guys, and please let me know what Leatherman multi-tools you have. See you in the next one. Alex out.